Hello there everyone, welcome for our tutorial for today. We're going to make a history breakout. Okay, so I've already made a prototype. This is for the app. This will be our guide. Okay, so first off we're gonna create a new experience. Click on that. Then we're gonna change the title Breakout Time Warp. Then for our first scene, we're gonna use the character scene. Gonna use this picture, Time Warp Trio, and then gonna zoom in. Just watch. I've already googled some information about the 13 states, 13 colonies of America. Just gonna copy and paste this one. Control A, Control C. Paste it here. Okay. So somewhere in America, we've been time warped. Then we add an action button. This will lead to a new character scene. This one. Transition to scene. Click that one and then click this one. Okay. Then we're gonna change this picture into a scroll. Gonna click here, Control A, Control C to my prototype, and then just paste it here. Control V. We need to solve the code in the scroll to go back to the present. Okay, so this is the scroll. This will help us go back to the present time. So we have two action buttons for this one. First is an exit button if you want to quit playing, and then the next is crack the code. I mean solve the code. For solve the code, we are going to add a new, yes, it's an input, text input scene, where the first question is, this place is known for wheat, corn and tobacco. Then we're gonna change the picture to this one. I made that earlier. Then we're gonna link this one, scene 2. We're gonna link to scene number 3. Okay, and then we're gonna add some blocks. First block is the lowercase block. It's found here in the strings. Lowercase. Okay, there we have it. Then add new response equals. We are going to link them. So we're gonna place it down here. Okay, so click on this, transition to block. Can just click the finger button there, then transition again this one to block. Okay, so response equals. What we're looking for, the answer is Virginia. So the value is Virginia. Okay, so if the response is not equal to Virginia, we're gonna transition this into a character scene, telling them that try again. Okay, try again. Which will lead to scene number 2. Okay, displace this one because we're gonna link all the wrong answers to C number 4. Again, click this one, it's linked. Okay, then we're gonna add another question, text input scene. Our second question is this one, Control A, Control C. Then we paste it here. Second question is known as a safe place for Quakers. Okay, we're gonna change the picture to this Quaker. Then we're gonna link the response equals from the first question. We're gonna link it to the second question. Okay, so if the user needs to answer it consecutively in order to crack the code, okay, then we're gonna add another question. Oh wait, we're gonna add the blocks. Okay, first block for the strings, lowercase text, then we just add the response equals. Okay, I'll place it down here. Then we're gonna transition this to block. There we have it. Then this one, we're gonna transition this one to block 2. Response equals. Okay, then for the not equal, we're gonna transition this one to C number 4. Okay, wait, we're gonna change the picture of C number 4 first. We're gonna use, okay, this one, lock door something. Okay, for the response equals, we're gonna put the value, and this is the answer to our question. It's Pennsylvania. Control C, just to make sure I have no incorrect spelling. Okay, Control V. Okay, then we're gonna add another input scene, text input scene for our third question. Then our third question is Control C, Control V. This is where kick off the American Revolution. I think we should type it. It started. Display started. Okay, this place kick off the American Revolution War. Wait. Okay, it's in Massachusetts. So I was referring to the Battle of Lexington and Battle of Concord. Kick off the American Revolutionary War. Okay, so I guess they'll understand that way. Okay, so we're gonna link this one for our third question. Then we're gonna change the picture. This is the battle at Lexington, the bridge. Okay, then we're gonna add a the blocks, string, so lowercase text, and then we're gonna add another response equals. Just gonna move it there. Just make it nice and clean. Okay, I'm gonna transition this to block, to lowercase text. Then we're gonna transition this to, okay, oops, there we have it. Okay, so the value is, of course, Massachusetts. Control C, Control V. Okay, then for the not equal scene, we're gonna transition this one to scene number 4. Okay, there we have it. Scene number 4 goes to scene number 2. Okay, and for the last part, we're gonna copy this one first, Control A, Control C. Then we're gonna insert or add new a character scene. Just move here to the side. Then we place Control V. Great, it's working. Let's take a selfie so we can send it to the present wall of fame. Okay, so we're gonna link it. Transition to scene, this one. I'm gonna change the picture to something like this atom. Okay, there we have it. Then we're gonna add new. It's the camera scene. Just gonna link it here. Transition to scene. Scene number 9. Then what we do is we add this to camera, upload to photo wall. We're gonna link this first, transition to block, then upload to photo wall. Okay, so if this is your first time using a photo wall, just click this one, right click on it and open a new tab. So you will see this photos Metaverse App.io. So you make a name for it, then you create. So what I did was present wall of fame time warp achievers. Okay, then we create this one. Okay, so if we sorry, it was a wrong spelling. Anyways, this is the ID. We're gonna copy and paste it. Let's check on the prototype. Okay, so you place the ID here, Control A, Control C, photo wall ID, this one, and then we're gonna use this link, just copy and paste it to a web view scene. Okay, at first let's put a give item scene, add new, give item scene. Then we're gonna select the item, This one a private token. Yeah, link this one up. Transition to scene. Just leave the source blank. Okay, then we're gonna add another character scene. Gonna change the picture, some landmark at Virginia. Then we're gonna Control A, Control C, Control V. We are back. Just got out of the time warp. Thank you. Okay, let's link this one up. And we have two action buttons. So here we put an exit button. This will end the experience. While the upper button will put a view warp achievers. Time warp achievers. Okay, and then we're gonna transition this into a scene. Create a new scene. It's a web view scene. Okay, then we are going to link it back to scene number 10. Okay, so we need to paste the URL from the one that we created the photo wall. So you copy this one and then you paste it here in the URL, but I'm gonna copy this from our prototype, from our guide. Control A, Control C, then we go to our project and we paste it here. Control V. Okay, so present wall of fame, time warp achievers. Okay, so there we have it. A breakout challenge, simple breakout challenge for about the 13 colonies of America. Okay, so we're gonna test this on our device. Okay, so this is my phone. I'm gonna open the Metaverse app. And let's wait for the test device to initialize. Okay, there we have it. So somewhere in America we'll be in time warp. Okay, we need to solve the code. The scroll to go back to the present. Okay, so let's solve the code. I'm just gonna watch the one that I made. Might forget the responses. Okay, so this place is known for wheat, corn, and tobacco. So it's Virginia. Oops. There. Known as a safe place for crackers. Okay, so the answer is Pennsylvania. Okay. Then this place kicked off the American Revolution War, 1775 to 83. Our response in the Metaverse experience is Massachusetts. Okay, I'm using capitalized letters, bold letters, so we can see if our lower text case is working. Double S, Massachusetts. Okay, done. Great, it's working. Let's take a selfie so we can send it to the present wall of fame. Okay, so I just covered my camera. I'm gonna take a photo, and then I'm gonna click the check. It's gonna upload to our photo wall. Let's just wait for the blue bar to reach the top. Okay, there's the token. And we are back. Just get out of the time warp. Thank you. So it's a little bit blurred. Then we view time warp achievers. This is the web view scene. It's taking a while to load. I guess there's something wrong with my internet, so let's just click next. And I'm gonna show you, this is from my desktop. If you can see the background there, present wall of fame time warp achievers. So that's the one that I took earlier, the covered camera picture in my background. Okay, so we're gonna exit the app. So that's it, guys. Thank you and enjoy your day.